let's see how you can make really delicious bars recipe at home. Let's start. Hi guys, and a very assalamu alaikum. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Oats Choco biscuit bars. Yes, so as the name suggests, I'll be using two spreads in it that I'll tell you later. But for the main ingredients, you'd be needing some oats, rolled oats, old-fashioned rolled oats. You can find them in the market very easily. And some flour, light brown sugar, some butter. And if you're using salted butter, then skip adding salt, otherwise some salt, baking soda, vanilla, and two spreads I'm using here today. I'm using Lotus biscuit spread and some chocolate spread. So you can use any chocolate or hazelnut spread such as Nutella or any just a regular chocolate spread. I like to mix the two just to cut down the sweetness of Lotus spread, biscuit spread, because it's quite sweet, and to be honest, I'm not a very big fan of this flavor, but I just like to mix the two. We'd also be needing an 8 by 8 inch pan that we'll be lining with the foil, and I'd be greasing it with the butter. After I melt the butter, I'm going to do that. So how we're going to bake these, how we're going to mix all the ingredients, I'm going to show you in the next step. We're going to partially bake the first layer, and after it's done, we're going to layer both the spreads on top of it. I've mixed them together. I've filled the empty jar with some milk and going to shake it, and we'll have it as a snack while baking, so nothing goes to waste. We're now going to top the spread layer with the other half of the oat mixture. We'll bake till done. We will now let them cool completely before taking them out and before cutting them into bars.
I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try. It's an ideal recipe for Sehri as well. Will keep you energized all day long. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements, along with all of my social media handles, are mentioned in the description box below. We'll see you guys again very soon. Keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Please stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye.